So in this question, we've got an engine pulling two trucks. So the first thing to do is to identify the information in the question that we need to know. And this is the resistances of the trucks and the acceleration of the system. Now I'm going to add this to a new diagram. So I first of all put my resistances on. I know the acceleration is 0.25 meters per second squared. I know also there's tension in the couplings, and notice the tensions are different again because it's different couplings, and I've got a driving force. I can also add the weight and the normal reactions to each of the engine and trucks. Notice I've labelled them differently as well because the normal reactions will be different, they're different weights and different trucks. So I'm labelling them RA, RB and RE. Okay, so to find the acceleration of the system in whole, I'm going to look at the whole train as though it's one thing. So the whole mass of it is 96,000 kilograms. I can work out the total resistance by adding up the three resistances. I know the acceleration is 0.25. Now by using F equals ma horizontally, I can work out what d is going to be. To find T1 then, I've got lots of choices, but this time I'm just going to use the engine. So I'm only going to look at that part. So using F equals ma horizontally, I've got a driving force, I've got a 1,000 Newton resistance and a tension, and that's equal to the 60,000 times 0.25. So by collecting all those terms and working them out and then bringing them all together, I'm able to work out what T1 is going to equal. To find T2, I'm going to use truck B. So using F equals ma, I know that I've got T2 as my force to the left, I've got a resistance of 200, and I've got a mass of 15,000. So I can set up my equation, rearrange it, and find what T2 is going to equal.